Bish, do, fellow reloaders. Welcome to Not Your Common Ammo. I am Jace, and as you can see, I've started my foray into reloading. Brand new to reloading, never done it before, and I'm just going to chronicle everything that I do. So, the first thing I did was I went and got the Lee Breech Lock Challenger kit, and it comes with the press, the resizing lube, all this stuff here, everything. It came all in there. So yeah, if you take a look, yeah, this is your lock and case conditioner, the pocket primer tool, the chamfer tool, the cutter, the lock stud, all that stuff. That's there. And there's the got her upside down. That's the resizing lube, funnel. Heck, I haven't even put it together yet. Yep. Now these are the second part of the priming tool. That's the so you can prime on the press. All this hardware is for the putting this guy on. And then with the Challenger set, you get the secondary, priming off the press, and then you get these little lock studs down there. So it comes in a nice nifty case. Now, one thing I didn't, every time when I seen an unboxing, everything's all put together and, they're just going through the stuff. Well, it doesn't come all together. So here's the perfect powder measure, first half of it, or I should say quarter, 3/4. Then you got this guy. That's, you put your powder in there, and then you dispense it. And then this here, this is the hardware to hook it up to your bench. I haven't got a bench yet. We're getting there. We're getting there. One step at a time. Here's the cutting tool right there. Yep, that goes on there. And you've got your instructions on how to do stuff. This is the safety powder scale. Hadn't even put that together yet. I haven't even looked at it yet. So, like I said, most unboxings I've seen, they unbox it and it's all together. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to see how this thing's going to come right straight out of the box. The only reason why you haven't seen right straight out of the box is because I want to make sure everything was here first. So, but everything, this is how, basically pulled it out, set it down, made sure everything was here, and then went on from there. Yeah, the press itself, the handle doesn't come on there, so you gotta put your handle hardware. It's right there. Gotta put your handle hardware on. And I was looking at the press itself. You get this nifty neat little lock in there. They say that it's a pain in the butt to get out of there. I'm gonna give that a shot maybe a little bit later, but right now not really. But she seems pretty stout. Gotta kind of lube that up maybe. But yep. Well, this is, like I said, the first video I've ever made, and I just wanted to document my journey into reloading, which it all starts here, with the press and the hardware and getting everything all set. A lot of people were like, there's different brands. You know, look at different brands. There's the RCBS right now, the Rebel. That's like $600. I was like, wow. Then you had the Hornady. The Hornady was that was like $700, and then you had your Dillon Press. Well, those darn things are almost $800 to almost $1,000. Now I picked this up. Nice folks at Amazon. There was a storefront that I used, and I got this for 175. Yeah, 175. Yep. So it wasn't all. It was expensive, but not all. You know, like gonna drain my bank account trying to get it to me. So, and you know, like I said, first time ever. You know, loading. So I wanted to, you know, go with that option, you know, and be rather successful at it. Oh, the one thing I didn't go over is my calipers there. I think everybody kind of understands how calipers work. Yeah. So you've got your measurement on the, like, outside dimension, inside dimension. You got your depth. A lot of people miss this one. A lot of people miss this one. You ready? You flip it over. And there's step right there. Step is right there. I missed that. And yes, I did get the carbon fiber, or what we like to call cheap plastic. Obviously, it's cheap plastic. Again, I'm doing this on a shoestring budget. That's it. So, all right. I'm going to pack this all up, and as soon as I get my workspace done, we'll go from there. The other thing is, yeah, you have to get your die set. You have to get your die set to actually work this thing. And you know, I went online and I was trying to get a 243 Winchester. Found the set. The set was like $22. I put it in my wish list. Gonna wait for a little bit. The price doggone jumped up to $44. I was like, you have got to be kidding me. So I ain't gonna buy it. Not yet. I'm gonna give it a wait and see. I might go with something else. They got the Really Good Buy, the RGB. I might go with one of those. But like I said, I'm no means am a Lee man, Hornady man, Dillon man. I'm just a first timer, and this was the least expensive, and it gets me into it. And I kind of think that, you know, if you want more people to, you know, get into loading, or if you want more people to try your product, you might want to start thinking about an entry level that's around this price, because, I mean, you stop and think about it. Lee's a pace setter. And a lot of people have Lee. You know, a lot of people have Dillon and all that kind of stuff, but you stop and think about it, you got an entry level kit that gets you in, you know, other companies might want to start thinking about that. Yeah, of course you got upgrades afterwards, but hey, that's just me. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna literally wrap this all back up and continue on with my day. Now, you guys have a good day.